Hi everyone, this is my review of Army Painter's green stuff, and I want to give you a very quick review plus give you a few tips on how to actually use this. Army Painter are a great brand. Everything they produce is well packaged, well explained on the back, and there's also quite a few videos that you can watch online on how to use these things. What is it exactly? It's a epoxy resin that you mix together to create green stuff. I created this little bit by taking a section of the two components of the green stuff and mixing it together. And once you have mixed it together, and it's actually quite easy to do that, it actually molds quite well, but you then let it cure and it becomes into this rigid state. It's not absolutely firm, which is actually quite useful. You have about 90 minutes to use it once you've mixed it together until it starts setting hard. What do you use it for? Modeling it is really useful. For instance, when I put this little house together, a little Viking, I found that the top didn't quite sit perfectly on the rest of the body, so I made up some green stuff, and while it was still very flexible, I filled in the gaps that were created and then just let it cure. Then I just painted it and it absolutely vanished. A lot of people use it on models or larger piece models, terrain, etc., where perhaps you put an arm onto a body and there's a little bit of a ridge created. You didn't quite get it exact, or you've got a little gap there. That's when green stuff, you just put it into the gaps, and then you can either sand it down again and it makes it great. Otherwise, what you can do is you can use it to build up, for instance, a base here. You can create some rocks or just lumpy terrain. If you're doing a customized model and you want to maybe add a backpack to it, you can create it out of green stuff. So it is really flexible. I enjoy using it. And a couple of tips: if you find it a bit hard to work, you can wet your fingers while you do it. That makes it easier to work with. Some people actually use Vaseline, which also, it doesn't affect the drying time. And if you're finding it too sticky, you can actually use a little bit of talcum powder and that dries it up, and so some people prefer it like that. Either way, make sure you wash your hands. Well, you wear gloves if you got them, but make sure you wash your hands well after it. But anyway, that's Army Painter green stuff. Highly recommend everyone to try it, play around with it, and I'm sure you will find a use for it.